guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your mate and Tigwa. Today we're trying those biscuits from Taiwan. We didn't buy this from Taiwan, but somebody gave it to us, and let's just try it. Even though I already ate this one, still let's just try it. Sarap ng na yung mga biscuit sa Taiwan.
Bigay ni Tita Ria yan.
Okay.
Yun o, lakap ang ganyan. Hirap mo.
Kailangan magkakampi. Ngayon, kung sino ang matutumba, tanggal na yung buto na yun. Di ba? Tanggal na tayo sa dalawa. At kung sino ang matitira at magcha-champion, siya ang mamimili ng ima-mouse trap niya. Uy! Kaya sinusuhin nyo to. Dahil halimbawa tayo dalawa, pilihin natin yung grupo nila, sila ang mouse trap. Ano? Simulan na tayo!
Labi ka. May labi. May labi-labi ka. Labi-labi.
At the battle, wala ang magkakampi.
Hantin nyo.
Tinawa!
Ito.
Tinibangan! TNG! Ito! Tinawa!
Okay, that's the end of the video now. Please guys, like, comment, and subscribe, and share this to someone you know, like family and friends, and and like I said, whoever someone you know. Okay, bye. See you on the next video.